Hi friends, this is Shiva. Welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to explain how to use this humidity and temperature sensor. And also I'm going to explain how to connect this OLED display with Arduino Uno. Whenever you connect this OLED display with Arduino Uno, in the combination of this humidity sensor, you will get readings from this display like temperature and humidity. Okay, let's get into the video. Arduino Uno is the main component and OLED display and humidity and temperature sensor and this data cable for uploading code. And if you do not have a computer or laptop, use this OTG to connect mobile and few jumper wires. And now I am going to connect this OLED display. Here you can find 4 pins: VCC, GND, SCL and SDA. And now I am connecting these jumper wires to this OLED display. Red colored wire to VCC and black colored wire to GND and orange color wire to SCL and last one is SDA. And now I am connecting this VCC pin VCC pin of OLED display to 5 volts pin in Arduino Uno, and black wire GND wire to any GND pin in Arduino Uno, and SCL pin to A5 pin in Arduino Uno, and SDA pin to A4 pin in Arduino Uno. In this temperatures and humidity sensor, they did not mention any signs, positive, negative or signal pin. So here you can find minus means ground pin, and middle one is positive, VCC pin, and last one is signal pin. Now I am going to show you how to connect this to Arduino Uno. Yeah, here we go. Now I am connecting this white wire for ground pin, and middle one blue colored wire for VCC, and last one yellow for signal pin. And now I am connecting this white wire GND wire to any GND pin in Arduino Uno, and positive VCC pin to 5 volts pin in Arduino Uno, and connect this yellow wire signal wire to any digital pin in Arduino Uno except 0 and 1. For example, I am selecting pin number 2 in digital digital pin in Arduino Uno. And now use this data transfer cable to upload code. If you do not have system or laptop, don't worry, you can use this OTG to upload code. To upload code with mobile, you need this Arduino Droid app. You can get it on Play Store and App Store. Now open it, and you have to install 2 type of libraries. One is Adafruit GFX and another one is Adafruit SSD 1306. Now click on 3 dots, libraries, manage libraries, and click on available, and you have to search for Adafruit GFX. It is already installed in my device, so go for Adafruit SSD 1306. See, it is also installed. And get back to the home now, and you will find the code in my blog, which link is available in the description. Just copy and paste. Now click on compile and as. Now click on upload. See, it is successfully uploaded. Now see the results. Now you can see this humidity and temperature on the display. Why I don't know these lines are coming? If you guys know anyone, please explain me in the comment section. And now I'm comparing with another temperature sensor. Now here you can compare both temperatures. See, it is showing 29 and nearly to 30, and here you can also see temperature on the display. Thank you for watching my videos. If you want more content like this, please subscribe only if you like my content.